Welcome back everyone. In today's quick tips video we are going to discuss how to perform a head cleaning on your Sawgrass printer. A head cleaning is a maintenance procedure that you will use to clear any missing nozzles. There are two ways to perform a head cleaning. The first option is to run the head cleaning directly from your printer. To do so, select the menu button on the top left of your printer. From there scroll down and select the Printer Features option. Select the list, Test Print from the available options and then choose Head Cleaning. When running a head cleaning you have the option to clean all heads or select head 1 or 2 depending on the results of your nozzle check. Head 1 is the nozzle for cyan and black, head 2 is for yellow and magenta. Once you select OK, it will begin the head cleaning process. This process will take a few minutes, so please be patient and make sure to leave the printer powered on. The other method to run a head cleaning is through the device's settings within Sawgrass Print Utility. If you select the Printer Utilities option, you can run a head cleaning for any of the printers you currently have connected to Sawgrass Print Utility. This page also gives you the ability to conveniently print nozzle checks. We recommend printing a nozzle check after each head cleaning to see if the issue has been resolved. If not, you can continue to perform head cleanings up to 5 times before moving on to other troubleshooting steps. If you are still experiencing any issues or have further questions, please contact the Sawgrass Care Team for additional assistance. That's all for today. See you next time.